friends. Welcome back to my channel Luxury Point. Today we take a closer look at 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Concept, a new definition of luxury. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Concept redefines the pinnacle of automotive luxury. As the flagship of Rolls-Royce's prestigious lineup, the Phantom has always been a symbol of opulence and sophistication, and this new concept takes that tradition to futuristic levels. Combining cutting-edge technology with the timeless craftsmanship for which the brand is known, the 2025 Phantom offers a peerless driving experience that caters to the most discerning of tastes. Performance under the hood. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Concept is expected to house a next-generation V12 engine or a fully electric powertrain, depending on market demands for sustainability. If it maintains its iconic V12, it will likely be enhanced with hybrid assistance to deliver unparalleled smoothness and power. In its all-electric form, expect instantaneous torque and a driving experience that is both whisper-quiet and effortlessly powerful. The suspension system has been refined to ensure the legendary magic carpet ride remains, with advanced adaptive systems that react in real time to road conditions for supreme comfort. 0 to 60 miles per hour should come in under 5 seconds, which, while not sports car fast, is blistering for a vehicle this size and weight. Exterior design. The exterior design of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Concept is a stunning evolution of the brand's signature styling. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem still adorns the hood, standing proud atop a grille that has been reimagined with sleeker lines and futuristic illumination. The bodywork is more sculpted, with sharp creases and a dynamic stance, while still maintaining the Phantom's commanding road presence. The concept will likely feature larger, aerodynamically optimized wheels and a streamlined profile that reflects its forward-thinking ethos. Innovative lighting technology, including laser-cut LED headlamps, give the vehicle a sophisticated and contemporary edge. Interior design. Step inside the Phantom Concept, and you are immediately enveloped in an environment of unmatched elegance and craftsmanship. The cabin is an oasis of tranquility, featuring the finest materials sourced from all over the world, including hand-stitched leather, bespoke wood veneers, and advanced tech hidden beneath traditional finishes. The dashboard is dominated by a massive OLED touchscreen that blends seamlessly with the minimalist, handcrafted controls. Expect ultra-luxurious seats that offer massaging functions, climate control, and customization options in every detail. Rear passengers are treated to executive lounge seating with fully reclining chairs, a starlit ceiling, and individual entertainment systems that rival any home theater. Fuel efficiency. While Rolls-Royce vehicles are not traditionally known for their fuel efficiency, the 2025 Phantom Concept may introduce significant improvements in this area. If the hybrid option is included, expect a combined fuel economy rating that is far superior to previous models. For the electric variant, the range could easily surpass 300 miles on a single charge, with advanced regenerative braking technology and high-efficiency battery systems that minimize energy consumption while maximizing range. Rolls-Royce is expected to use sustainable materials and eco-friendly processes, aligning with the luxury market's increasing focus on green technology. Pricing. As the crown jewel of the Rolls-Royce fleet, the 2025 Phantom Concept will undoubtedly command a premium price. Starting prices are expected to exceed $600,000, with bespoke customization options pushing the price well over $1 million for those who desire unique features and finishes. Buyers will have access to Rolls-Royce's bespoke program, allowing them to tailor every aspect of the car, from paint to interior design, ensuring no two Phantoms are alike. Dear friends, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Concept represents the future of luxury driving. It blends tradition with innovation, performance with serenity, and sustainability with exclusivity. For those who seek the ultimate in automotive craftsmanship and personalized luxury, the Phantom remains the unparalleled choice. As Rolls-Royce continues to push boundaries, This new Phantom concept stands as a testament to what can be achieved when imagination and craftsmanship unite. I hope you will enjoy this review. If you think this review is informative, then please like video and subscribe channel for more AR reviews. And don't forget to share this review with your friends. We meet in next review. Stay happy and drive safe.